Baby Bloom.
Hello kids, hope you are doing great. Today, let's take a small science quiz to test your knowledge, so let's begin. To make this quiz interesting, there are 5 different categories on which the questions will be asked, such as yes and no question, fill in the blank question, one-word answer, true and false, and enumeration. I hope you will find this quiz interesting and informative. So, let's get started with the easy round. Your first question is, our solar system has 9 official planets? Yes or no? No. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union changed Pluto's designation from a planet to a dwarf planet. Therefore, instead of 9, we only have 8 true planets. Next question is, all kittens are born with blue eyes? True or false? True. All cats are born with blue eyes because their eyes don't have melanin yet. This is the natural pigment that shows their eye color. Their melanocyte cells only start producing melanin at around 4 to 6 weeks, so that's when their true eye color starts to show. Great work, kids! We are now beginning our round 2. It is going to be a little difficult this time. The question is, what food is used to make the Mexican dish guacamole? Your options are zucchini, strawberry, banana, or melon. Awesome, correct. Zucchini. Your next question is, a shrimp's heart is located in its? A shrimp's heart is located in its head. Technically, the shrimp's heart is located in its thorax, right beside the head, but since they're both encased in the same exoskeleton, it appears that the heart and thorax are still in the headpiece. Amazing! So you have made it to round 3, which is going to be the most difficult one. So, the question is, name the 5 great oceans of the world. Think and then reply. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Southern Ocean. Good work, let's move ahead. And the question is, the cherry blossom is the unofficial national flower of what country? The answer is, Japan. Awesome! You have amazing knowledge, and you have done a great job. So the winner is you! Amazing! I will see you in another video soon. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.